He's so fine. Say hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello, my neighbor.
Okay. We are here to just relax.
Yes, relax, because it's been a while.
Yeah. And this is like our first time, but then we are vibing like we've known each other.
You guys, I'm seeing her for the first time.
I'm telling
like,
you.
YouTube connects. My YouTube connects. And we're seeing for the first time.
I swear.
And it's like we've known each other for forever.
As in, like we just talk about everything. Yes. Okay, so we just ordered for our drink. Cocktail. Is yours cocktail too?
Yes, I think it says.
So I just ordered for sweet in the middle. I don't know. I just went with the name because I was like, okay, probably the drink would be so nice. You know.
You guys, we're at the Pearl Restaurant.
Yep.
At Eko Atlantic. You know where Eko Atlantic is? Big girls. Yeah. Okay. It used to be like, in fact, I won't be able to.
See the Nigerian girl in her wants that too. She wants the pot. Joy wants the pot.
Okay. So you guys, this is the Caesar salad. So nice, you guys.
I've not had. This is my first time, and you're just enjoying it.
And this is lettuce, but this is not like the normal
What's this?
chicken.
Hey.
This is not like the normal lettuce. This lettuce is actually mainly for this salad. Hey, you worry getting me salad. And it's nice.
And the chicken is nice. Joy is giving me white supposed food.
See, it's the
There's
chicken.
no red oil in this thing. There's no stew in this thing. Only cream. Hey.
See, you guys, I'm naturally not open to new things. So for me to like enjoy this the very first time I tried it, know that it is anybody would like it. It's amazing. Oh, don't you like it? You're doing. Don't you like it?
I like it, but where's my chicken? So we're going to try to finish up our food, and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we are done.
And the sun is what do they call it?
I don't know if you guys can see. I didn't finish up my food. For me, this is like 4 over 10. Like I told you earlier, this is like 4 over 10 because I'm not like a salad person. And when I take my salad, I don't like too much cream. And I really don't. In fact, I'm not even a salad person. It's joy that I really enjoy this meal. Okay, but generally, I think it's nice. If you're a salad person, right?
Not really. Yes, I think so. And it's filling. It's filling like I'm full.
So now you're full. See, me, I'm not slim like Joy. I don't know why. Me, I'm not filled up. Oh. When I get home, when you get home, you not eat again. You not eat again.
It's for what? This is 6:20 now. I usually have my dinner at
by
say 5
6.
o'clock.
Oh, okay. Mine is 6. Before I get home, now it should be like 8 or past 7. Yeah. So we'll be ending the vlog here. We're just chilling. We'll be here for almost an hour now. I just like how the environment is.
And you guys, they even allowed puppies. Like, God.
I'm so shocked.
You see why this place gives me the vibe of like abroad vibe.
See,
If it were to be
if you've
normal
not been to the
Nigerian,
abroad, don't let Joy pressure you.
if it was with the normal Nigerian, like typical Nigerian restaurant, they wouldn't even allow pets.
Yeah. I'm even shocked to
They'll tell
see
you pets are not allowed.
Yeah. So the place is so nice, and we're just chilling. We're just going to finish having our drink, and then we'll be on our way, right? Or do you want to do any other thing?
Nothing.
Yeah. We didn't take our picture.
I'm sure I will take pictures.
You take. Okay, you go inside. Okay, so After having our drink, we will leave. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Like the video, like this video, like it now. Turn on the bell. You know, when you subscribe, you see a bell like shape. Click on that bell, you see all. Click on the all and you get alerted whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for having us, for having Joy and I.
Thank you.
Yes. See you in my next video. Stay safe, stay peaceful.